Hi guys, this is Zsolt. In today's video we are going to check out the DIY Detail Tree Sap Remover. Actually, I'm not going to use it on tree sap because right now I don't have any cars around with tree sap. However, this car has some Patex glue residue on the roof and tree sap glue. I'm not saying they are the same, but very much similar in my opinion. So we will see if this one can handle it. I will spray the product on the surface, I will let it work, and then I will buff, and in case I need, I will do multiple applications. Let's roll.
Got the neighbors sitting, knocking on the floor. Got the neighbors sitting, knocking. Got the neighbors sitting.
Epiphany rising, got it all wrong. You see bright as lightning. Already memories. Now I just don't really care what you feel, what you feel, what you feel. Shame on me thinking it was just a phase. Got me like ooh. And if I'm recognizing your mistakes, got me like ooh. Feelings like ooh. Now I brought my worst behavior, throwing a party in my head. Yeah, prayers from all my saviors. Just let it rain all over me, over me, over me, over me, over me. False advertising. You were not meant for me, still not surprising. Need no apologies, cause I just don't really care what you think, what you think, what you think. Shame on me thinking it was just a phase. Got me like ooh, got me like ooh. And if I'm recognizing your mistakes, got me like ooh, feelings like ooh. Now I brought my worst behavior, throwing a party in my head. Yeah, prayers from all my saviors. Just let it rain all over me, over me, over me, over me, over me. Now I brought my worst behavior, throwing a party in my head. Yeah, prayers from all my saviors. Just let it rain all over me, over me, over me, over me, over me, over me, over me.
Alrighty, boys and girls, that was the DIY Detail Tree Sap Remover. Scent-wise, it's either there is something wrong with me or I cannot smell anything at all. So for me, it's rather like neutral, completely nothing I could smell. But other than that, it worked fine. I had to apply it a few times, but according to the instructions, you can use it even on rubber and plastic. So I suppose it's not that crazy strong to work like in 2-3 seconds or so. Otherwise, obviously, it would damage those type of surfaces as well, in my opinion, but I'm not an expert. But as you've seen, after a number of applications, it removed nicely, especially when I left the soaked microfiber towel on the glue, then it was easier to wipe. All in all, I can hands-on recommend. I think it's a good stuff. Later on, maybe I will try it on Tree Sap if there will be a car with Tree Sap coming in my way. Anywho, that concludes the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you're not going to miss any of my upcoming videos. I'd like to say a big thank you for your time and catch you on the next one. Bye.